So in this lecture, we'll be trying to have some recap of vector algebra. Now, in vector algebra, we'll be first starting with the dot product between two vectors. So here you consider this figure. There are two vectors, a bar and b bar, with an angle theta between them. Then dot product, which is also called a scalar product, between the vectors a bar and b bar is given by a bar dot b bar is equal to a b cos theta, and obviously it is a scalar quantity. Now geometrically, the dot product means b times the projection of a bar along b or vice versa. So a bar dot b bar is the product of the magnitudes of a bar and b bar and the cosine of the angle theta between them. Thus, so what is theta here? Theta, as we have defined, the angle between a bar and b bar. Here, direction of theta is not important, as cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now, cross product between two vectors, which is also called vector product. Now you refer to this figure. Here there are two vectors. One is vector a bar, one is vector b bar, and theta is the angle between them. Then cross product between a bar and b bar is given by a bar cross b bar is equal to a into b into sine theta into n cap. Now here this a b sine theta, this part is actually giving us the magnitude of a bar cross b bar, and this unit vector n cap gives us the direction of the cross product a bar cross b bar. That is, a bar cross b bar is a vector quantity whose magnitude is equal to the product of the magnitudes of a bar and b bar and the sine of the angle theta between them. The direction of a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to the plane containing a bar and b bar, and this direction is actually given by n cap, this unit vector. Here n cap is the unit normal to the plane of a bar and b bar. Also, here the direction of theta is important, as sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. That means the orders of the vectors is important here. Now geometrically, the magnitude of a bar cross b bar, that is ab sine theta, is the area of the parallelogram, this parallelogram we are referring, whose sides are a bar and b bar, and the height is, you see, b sine theta. The direction of this area is along the unit normal n cap to the plane of the area. Now, this geometrical aspect of cross product leads us to the concept of something called areal vector. Now, what is an areal vector? In general, any elementary area ds can be represented as a vector quantity as ds bar is equal to n cap ds and is called an areal vector or area vector. Thank you.